have to clean our oxtail. I have oxtail here. Make sure that you have cold water. Not cold. Okay, I rinse it like 4 times and this will be the last one and transfer it to the strainer here.
Okay, so our meat is clean and
in our boiling water, I put onion, garlic, bay leaf, black pepper, and salt. And now let's put our meat. My hands is clean, guys. So I'm just holding it, just like so, and then let it cook. So let's cover. Okay, so after 2 hours, our meat is tender. Our meat is tender now. Ooh, okay. Alright guys, so we also need pichay, or if you don't have pichay, then you can use bok choy. I only have bok choy, I don't have pichay here. And I don't have string beans, so I'm using bagu beans right here, green beans. And then eggplant. I don't have the right size of eggplant, but anyways, still eggplant. It's a big size, so I will just have to slice it into rounds and fry. Okay, we also need atuete to color our stew, our beef stew, or kare-kare. We need garlic, minced garlic, and minced onion. And also we need bagoong alamang or shrimp paste for later. We also need ground peanuts. I don't have ground peanuts, so I just grind it with this, with my rolling pin. Alrighty. And we also need fish sauce or patis. Okay, that's the brand. Fish sauce. All right. And we need cornstarch. If you don't have toasted ground. Oh my gosh! If you don't have toasted ground rice, you can use instead cornstarch. Okay, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, or 1.5 if you want it very sticky, and 1/2 cup of butter. All right, I have peanut butter, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and I have ground peanut here, creamy peanut butter. All right, so let's start cooking. Alright guys, so while frying our eggplant, I will be blanching our bok choy or pichay, okay? Just blanch it in the boiling water, just like so. And I put salt in the water, guys. So just let it boil. Alright, so let's add our leaves. Okay, first the stock, and then now the leaves. Next is our beans. Okay, hanguin na natin. Patay na natin to. Ating stove. At hahanguin na natin. Alright, so I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and it's warm already. First, we need to put the garlic. Onion. We need to put beef cubes or chicken cubes if you have. Open and throw it in the pan. Okay. So you will have a taste right here. Alright. And then let's have broth. Let's bring our broth will be from our boiled meat. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So the broth that I put is from our boiled meat. Okay. That's it. Let it boil.
So this is our finished product, our fried eggplant. For the meantime, we will mix our cornstarch with our annatto seeds or
Okay, so let's have a seed. And another strainer. Let's strain the seeds, okay? So if you can see like this, we will mix this, okay? We will mix this to our cornstarch and then pour it into our cooking pot. Alright. Just like so. Let us mix it here. Alright guys, so our pot is boiling, our water is boiling right now. We will mix our peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. Just like so, just put it there and mix it.
okay.
Okay, let's add this. And now let's put our meat. Okay, let's put our meat in there. We only have 3. Alright, that's it.
There you go, our finished product.